to another Two Brummies and a Backpack Guernsey video, and today we are on the Island of Herm. Over there we have just come from St Peter Port. We've come for a day on Herm where we're going to do some exploring and chill out after our 20-mile ridiculous walk yesterday. Legs aren't feeling in great shape, so we're on this island pretty much all day. We've just come here just to chill out, trying to get Sarah to slow down with her walking. She only goes at one speed, which is like extremely fast. Well, I did promise that I'd get better at this travel vlogging, so I'm going to give you some facts about Herm as we're on the island. It's only 1.5 miles long and 0.5 miles wide, has a population of about 60 people, no cars are allowed on the island, and Herm uses the Guernsey pound. Just to put things into perspective, it's 1st of August today, schools have broken up, and we're walking around this island and hardly seeing anybody at all, are we, Sarah?
Most people just go to the main bit. We're going up here.
We're walking around the headland.
To get to Shell Beach.
Yeah.
Do our walk first.
Hey?
Not that I'm obsessed with walking or anything.
No. Gorgeous. What a beautiful walk. Absolutely stunning. What a beautiful coastal walk this is. There, I just pointed out of that cave down there. So this coastal path is the longest walk on the island. 6 kilometres circular, Sarah tells me. I reckon you could definitely get across there onto that little piece of land there. There's like a pathway along the middle, so clearly people have done it. Have your own little island. Guys, I kid you not, this is absolutely stunning. A bit sketchy, that bit there. Just be careful if you're coming over that bit there. We've just come from there and we're heading this way. We're not going to go down onto that beach. I'm just going to walk across the top of it, round towards Shell Beach. Look at Shell Beach there, popping through these trees. Looks like a beach on Jamaica or something. Sarah's just popped to the toilet so we can get a toilet review. Sarah, you know what I'm going to ask you?
No toilet paper in those toilets.
No what?
I had to wait and get some at the other one.
So what are you going to give it out of 10?
Wow, 6.
Just a 6?
Just a 6.
Just a 6.
And there's a very steep ramp going up there, so if you struggled with, elevation, then you would struggle to get to the toilets. But to be fair, if you made it this far over the island, you're probably alright.
But you're going to give it a 6?
I'll give it a 6.
She gives it a 6 out of 10. Shell Beach. This is a vibe, isn't it? So we're just going to have a walk along Shell Beach. Hang on a minute. Sarah's getting, she doesn't like people, you see, do you?
That lighthouse is, we could go and sit up there.
You want to go and sit up there? So we've decided we don't want to sit on Shell Beach, too busy for us. It's not our sort of thing.
Walk up to the lighthouse, just sit there and
look at all the people, but not be near them, if you like. So this is our idea of heaven, look. There's no one here. Should we just sit here? We don't look antisocial at all. Fingers crossed we can avoid the wind and eat our car sandwiches. Look at this. This is what Herm looks like when you're kind of away from the coastline. We're out of the wind as well. What we thought was like a lighthouse turns out just to be a small little concrete spire. It's a bit odd, isn't it? Look massive from distance. Sarah reckons we go this way. I'm getting really hungry now. So we've Shell Beach is over there. We've just walked straight through the middle on this path, and hopefully we're going to find a beach the other side here, our own private beach to eat our car sandwiches. Just too busy on Shell Beach for us. Screaming kids. Not into it anymore, mate. Done with this. Trying to get away from people. Hey? Oh, where she sent me now, look. This is apparently our own private beach.
Where is the beach?
Bloody hell.
I am getting off down there.
You have to walk along here, haven't we? We've basically seen 80 to 90% of Herm now.
Back at the boat landing.
Yep.
Ready for 2:15.
250. So, I think we've got car sandwiches, guys. And
2:45.
I'm not 2:35, I think it was. What time is it now?
The liver. Gidge.
Get the liver.
I was thinking I had another idea.
No, that's kidney. I've got a liver back there.
2:35.
2:35.
Let's get that one.
Well, I thought we were here all day.
Well, if we find a nice spot, we could stay. I was thinking we could get a day pass for the bus, and we could bus around the island looking at stuff.
Okay. Tell you what, you didn't expect this when you clicked on this video, did you? So rather than stay at Shell Beach all day,
It's too busy, mate.
Sarah was going to do some yoga. I brought my book.
Well, that's noise, making deal.
I did say to Sarah, I said, are you sure you want to do this? Because you know we don't sit down for very long.
No, I thought it'd be
Yeah,
quiet,
relax
tranquil, and I'll do yoga.
today, she says.
I think I'll just go and do one of the beaches on the cliffs Guernsey. Just sit there all day instead, because no one else will be there.
It's weird, because that's kind of what I said when we walked up here
No, you
earlier.
have to go to her when you go to her.
Yeah, you do, and we've done that now. And to be fair, I think, you know, it's because it's the summer holidays and stuff that it's so busy. And I don't want to put you off coming here. You got to come here and visit
An hour
it.
before the boat, anyway.
Okay, well, an hour is enough time to eat our car sarnies. Welcome to Oyster Point. Is it out the wind? Oh, look at this.
Sitting there
Where am I sitting?
on the floor.
So this is our own private little cave. Away from everyone else. Perfect spot for car sandwich. Nestled away from anyone else on Herm.
Big sandwich.
Big sandwich coming. What's in today's car sandwich, sir?
That was yesterday.
Same as yesterday.
Put it on the line, think
Ham.
of variation.
Ham, mozzarella and spoon cut cucumber.
One squash.
So without further ado, let's get the car sandwich down us. Say goodbye to our car sandwich spot. You pop your head up above the car sandwich spot, you can basically see St Peterport in front of you. It's just a cracking little lookout point, this is. Don't know about you, but I flipping hate beaches. Bloody sand everywhere. They look good, but going on them, it's a complete no-no. What the hell is Sarah doing up there? It's a bit of a precarious position. What is she doing? What's she got me bloody walking through now? Sarah's decided to walk up there. I ain't doing that. Not after yesterday's 20 miles. I don't know what she's doing. She's on her own. I'm just looking out over here. This is beautiful. Another beach here. Nobody on this beach at all. Everybody's on Shell Beach over the other side. But we're going to walk along the headland here over to the harbour that's probably about half a mile over there.
Island's becoming interesting again.
Well, not to me, it ain't. Sarah's lost the plot. Apparently there's 3 peaks on Herm now, which she's decided she wants to walk up. She's already done one. This is the second one that she's walking up, and then we've got one more to do. I was thinking we might get the half-2 ferry back, but now I'm kind of thinking she's going to suggest the 3:30. So I don't know. I'll have to see how we get on. Actually, full on now lost Sarah on Herm Island. She went off to bag a peak, and then she went off to do another one. And then she told me to walk towards where the shops are. I didn't think there were that many shops on Herm Island. Herm's cemetery. Not exactly the biggest cemetery in the world. I could live here, you know. 60 residents. But I'd have to ban tourists from coming onto the island. So there's just 60 of us on here. Be a bit of fun, wouldn't it? As long as, you know, someone like Tesco could deliver. Here she is. I was leisurely walking back on my own, a different world. Did you bag your peaks? As if someone lives there. One of the 60 residents. And your legs kaput.
My legs run for 10-15 miles at a time then.
Mine don't. That's such an old lady bucket hat.
Do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. We were thinking of going to the Mermaid Bar, but honestly, it was rammed. There's loads of kids in there as well. And yeah, it's not that we don't like kids, it's just it was really noisy in there. And I don't think there was a seat free anyway. Just school dinner vibes for my liking. Check these out. These are little rentals, harbour cottage suite. Beautiful little cottage there. And you've got some other little apartments there. So we're really getting into exploring Herm now. We're walking through the Zen garden. Oh. Oh. I think we're taking the wrong turning. And we're in the middle of a woodland. Sarah's got a run on. So we're going to have to head back up. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this to my legs. Just heading back to the ferry now. Yeah, that's where we walked up to start the coastal path earlier. But the ferry's picking us up from a different place. Then it dropped us off. What's it called? Rosemary Steps? Rosea Steps is where the ferry's going to pick us up from. So we've had to come walk here rather than the harbour, which is over there. Just waiting at the Roseaery, I think it is, steps, to get the ferry back to Guernsey.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that for a captain's. What's going on here? We've got one Brummie down. Thank you. Well, there we have it. That was our day trip to Herm. Did you enjoy it, Sarah?
It was great. I found 3 peaks.
Beach was good.
Now we're going to Sports Direct to buy a tennis ball.
Yeah, now we're going to Sports Direct, buy a tennis ball, and then we're going to go and have
I think last time I was here in Guernsey, I had to go to Sports Direct. My foam roller because I'd knackered myself up.
I think you did, you know. And here we are at the Thai Terrace Bar, St Peter Port. Check it out. Buzzing here Friday afternoon. Lots of people out having a few drinks. Sarah's got herself an Aperol Spritz. I got myself a Breeder. How much was that, Sarah?
$14.90.
I think Breeder is a Guernsey brewed beer. I'm not sure, it says brewed in Guernsey. So in summary, I'd say Herm Island, £16 on the ferry return per person. Definitely worth a day trip. There is more to it than just Shell Beach. There's a lot of things to see when you just get off the ferry, so make sure you check all that stuff out as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Hang on, you didn't say, you didn't do your little awkward bye.
Bye.
Hang on, just do it again.
Bye bye.
Just go bye. Just wave as well, because it.
Bye.
Oh, look at it.
Bye.